How to fix iPhone notes disappeared on iOS 18 update. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. Launch your App Store. In the search box, type in Notes and then search for it. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Solution 2. Check storage on your device. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. Low storage on your device might be also causing this issue. You can delete or offload the unused apps. Just click on the app, click on Upload or Delete app. Next up, uninstall the Notes app and then again reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Notes app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app. After you delete the app, launch your App Store, search for the app Notes and then install it. By following the solution, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone notes disappeared on iOS 18 update. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.